Today I'm going to teach you how to flip product images on Hover in Woocommerce. This is a fantastic way to showcase multiple angles of your products without cluttering your store pages, giving customers a better view when they hover over a product image. First, open your browser and navigate to wordpress.com. If you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and sign in now. Make sure you're using the account that's connected to your WooCommerce store so you can access all the necessary settings and features. Once you're logged in, look at the left navigation menu and locate the plugins option. Click on it and an expanded menu will appear with several options. From these options, click on Add Plugin. This will take you to the plugins page where you can browse and install various tools to enhance your WooCommerce store's functionality. You'll now see all the plugins available for your WooCommerce account. At the top of this page, locate the search bar. Type in Image Flipper to find the specific plugin we need for this tutorial. From the search results, look for TP Product Image Flipper for WooCommerce. This is the plugin that will enable the hover effect we're working towards. Before installing, you might want to click on More Details to review the plugin's overview, features, and functionality. This helps you understand exactly what the plugin does and ensures it's the right fit for your needs. Once you're ready, click on Install Now. The installation might take a few moments, so be patient and let it complete. Once the installation finishes, you'll see an Activate button appear. Go ahead and click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. After your page refreshes, you'll be ready to start using the new feature. Navigate to the left side menu again and click on Products. From the expanded options that appear, click on All Products. This will show you a list of all your existing products. At the top of the screen, click on Add Product to create a new product listing where you can test the Image Flipper feature. On the Add Product page, you'll notice a new section has been added called Product Gallery. This is the section created by the plugin you just installed, and it's specifically designed for adding multiple images that will create the image hover effect. Click on this section and upload at least 2 images. The first image will be your main product photo, and the second image will appear when customers hover over the product. You can add more images if needed to give customers an even better view. Once you've added all your images, scroll to the top or bottom of the page and click on Publish to save your changes and make the product live on your store. And that's it. You've successfully set up flip product images on Hover in WooCommerce, giving your store a more dynamic and interactive shopping experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.